Warning, the following intro was filmed over the span of 6 months, and I lost the crucial footage. Viewer discretion advised. What do I say?
I don't know.
Without further ado, El George. What do you think? This is gonna be a motor video?
No, because that would be right here.
Motor. Okay, awesome intro aside, we start this build off with George coming over to my place. We got a lot done. We did get the crank in along with the bearings, but when it came to the pistons, we quickly realized that we didn't have a ring grinder, and these were file fit rings. So we quickly, unfortunately, realized that we were gonna have to just call it quits. On top of that, we realized that I did miss a lot of little miscellaneous parts. A lot of stuff over by the timing, like a snout sleeve and a oil slinger for the front seal. So it kind of sat like this for a while. As you can see, it's already got the pistons in. But I just kind of analyzed, went back and found a bunch of parts that I needed, like this right here, that's the oil sling. Had to wait for all this stuff to come in, and then here's an update. What you know about that V4, bruh? V4. So far, obviously we have the crank in, along with all the bearings, connecting rods, and if you flip it over, the pistons are all in, nice and happy. I also have our oil pump in, along with our little oil pickup tube right here. I've got the oil filter housing right there. And then on here, obviously I have the cam in, I have the timing in, and I have our little fuel pump eccentric on. So after that, I started working on some other stuff like the timing cover. I got the snap sleeve in good. All was happy. Oh, I didn't even talk about going to the parts stores. I went to too many parts stores. All the time I was driving to parts stores, like it was fucking nuts. And that brings us to present day. Welcome to how to not get a motor off an engine stand. That is.
You have to send this link to my wife.
Oh, I will.
You have to send this to her so she can see the stupidity. As long as my father never knows. Even though I called him and he told me for progress reports.
Hi, newbie. Motor. I don't know what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing.
Wow.
Come look at the back of this.
Oh my wow.
Set it onto?
Well, that's liftable. What the fuck? This is not 300 pounds. Or
So-
600 pounds. This is like 400.
Okay, you know when I had that. Kai, you're really brave for leaving your car right there.
That's what I just thought.
Kai, maybe don't have your car right there.
$1,000 shooter.
Couldn't think of another answer that would save my intelligence, so that was...
So there's a bell at the bottom. Yeah. I have no idea. Oh, no, not that. Hold on, we're caught on it. There you go. Up again.
Yeah!
That's the boys.
What you should do? What? Don't strap it down, drive the clutch from behind it, and if it falls, it'll just land in the contact.
Yeah, but we love you. You're a fucking retard.
Okay, this one, that one, should I bring a thing to work on, or should I...
Let me, yeah, we can do it right here. Go back up, and I'm gonna try to push this further your way so you can get it all the way on.
Say hi, Dingle. What? I disagree without listening. Alright, so let's get. Okay, I didn't like that.
What even made a noise?
The chain?
Well, where?
I don't know.
Rectangle.
Okay, so while we were doing the motor, we decided that we wanted to just lift the truck while we were at it. But instead of doing a suspension lift, those are overrated. We just did a motor lift. So there you go. The motor's lifted. Oh shit, it's already done. All right, assistance. Oh shit.
Yep.
In case this engages drive.
Oh, you know what?
What a start.
Instead of flooding it, you probably plug the distributor.
Oh.
Bruh.
You ready?
Yep.
Did you feel the whole ground shake? Every time someone appears into the video, it's gonna be like a Smash intro where it's like, "Brrr," and then like the fucking Smash game.
What's it called?
Coolant everywhere.
It's because tight, so it's just bobbling out and pissing over here. That's what I was doing.
Do you want to put the cap on?
We gotta add coolant. I think the thermostat just opened because it sucked a fuck.
Oh, shit. It's not at a hot temp.
Why the fuck is it doing that?
I lied. It went from that to 240.
Okay, that's what that noise is. Your fan is smacking the fan shroud and creating sparks. I was like, wait, I swear I saw a spark, and then I was like, nah. And then I like felt one go in my hand, and I was like, what the fuck? So I stood back here, and it's smoking the fan shroud. Yep, keeps. Oh, okay. I am so sorry.
It's 50-year-old fiber plastic.
Wow.
I don't give a shit.
My bad. I didn't think it would do that. I'm so sorry.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Got about halfway through the cam break-in last night, but the starter got too hot, unfortunately. So now we're gonna, I guess, break it in again. Guys, thank you so much for watching the whole video, and thank you to everyone that showed up and helped out with the motor. I seriously could not thank any of them enough. Even people who weren't on screen, like, you know who you are. Thank you so much. I do know that I didn't get a whole lot of the actual motor building in this video. Last year was just a huge struggle for me, and I think it taking so long for me to actually work on it, plus the year that I had, it really took a toll on this video. I do enjoy what I got, and I think I had a lot of fun making the video, and I'm really excited to make more for you guys. So thank you so much again. If you guys want a detailed video on the motor, like the parts, the cost, things I ran into, like anything you guys would want to know to actually build one of these motors yourselves, let me know. I do plan on making one of those videos in the future. But other than that, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Have you watched Vegas? Have you watched Stranger Things?
Yeah.
Dude, you were doing a fuck, marry, kill, and I said Will Byers,
Wow.
12, the Indian chick,
Yep.
and Max's brother.
Wow. Wow.
He chose to marry the girl and fuck Will Byers. Trying to flip.
Still leaves?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Out of the back though, but not from the front. The front's actually dry. So what we did actually worked. Oh, I'm grabbing the camera.